In recent days, we've observed a notable spike in robotics sentiment, now at plus 0.38, with momentum hitting plus 0.64. This is significant because it suggests a growing optimism, particularly when you compare it to the historical baseline where sentiment typically hovers lower. Right now, the sector shows 11 distinct semantic clusters, indicating diverse and robust conversations around robotics, from AI integration to automation solutions. With our API, you receive nuanced insights that help you understand these shifts in sentiment and momentum. For instance, if you're developing a trading algorithm, you can leverage this data to anticipate market movements and position your strategies accordingly. Want to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data together and build something powerful.